My name is Rehan, and I am a teacher. I work in the English department of a school. Today, I would like to share my daily life with you. I hope that by listening to my routine, your English listening and reading skills will improve. If you pay close attention to my story, I believe your listening skills will grow 100%. I wake up very early in the morning at 4 a.m. When I open my eyes, I sit on my bed for a few moments to relax and prepare myself for the day. Then I go to the bathroom and freshen up. After that, I perform wudu and go to the mosque. I pray the Fajr prayer with the congregation, which gives me peace and energy for the whole day. After finishing my prayer, I sit in the mosque and recite the Quran for a while. This is one of the most peaceful moments of my day. After reciting, I leave the mosque and take a short walk in the garden. The fresh morning air really helps my mind stay calm and focused. When I return home, my wife has already prepared breakfast. I eat my breakfast and get ready for school. My school starts at 10 a.m. and I have a total of 70 students in my class. They are active, friendly, and always excited to learn something new. I am an English teacher, and I truly enjoy teaching. It makes me very happy when my students understand a lesson clearly. They also enjoy learning English from me because I try to make the class interesting and easy for them. I teach English from class 6 to class 10. Every class is different, and I always try to teach in a simple way so every student can understand. My classes end at 4 p.m. After school, I pray Asr and go back home. In the evening, after the Maghrib prayer, I sit with my wife and talk for a while. Then I start planning for the next day's lessons. I think about how I can explain the topics more clearly, how I can help my students speak better English, and how I can make learning fun for them. At 8 p.m., I pray Isha, eat my dinner, and prepare to sleep. Before going to bed, I thank Allah for giving me another productive and peaceful day.